Hello YouTube, this is the iPhone 7 in 2019. Black one, 2.2 GB one. So let's unbox it. Small, powerful charger, amazing headphones with a lightning cable, So here we have a SIM eject tool. Welcome warranty card and Apple logo stickers. Okay. So iPhone 7 has a 4.7-inch Retina display by Apple, 20 megapixel for main camera with optical image stabilization, with 4K recording, 7 megapixel of main camera, front-facing camera, quad-core CPU with 2 GB of RAM by A10 Fusion chip. CPU 3D home touch button. There is no hardware button anymore like on the 6S. We have a volume rocker on the left side, vibration button at the bottom. There is nothing. Power button at the bottom. Is top. At the bottom we have stereo speakers and lighting connector. There is no 3.5 jack. 20 megapixel with noise cancellation microphone, quad HD, quad LED, black matte color. There is a jet black, which is more stylish. Rose red, a gold, and red color. 2 GB is this one. There is 128 GB to 2056 GB internal storage. First time it needs to be connected to a network, can be activated. So I have joined to a network. Doesn't need to insert SIM card like on the previous models to be activated. It can take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Touch ID, which is a fingerprint. Not for now. don't use for now. So I don't want to use Apple ID right now. I can set up later in the settings. Don't use. Agree. Continue. Continue. Not now. Set up later. Later. Don't share. Later. You can zoom the screen. Okay. And welcome to iPhone. So guys, this is the first setup of iPhone. For some it's very annoying. So this is the one of the greatest device. Even it's older, around 3 years old device, but it's still better and better than a device in this class. Okay, so it's really fast working with this chipset and this 2-year frame. There's a 3D home touch button. When touching it vibrates. So camera is one of the greatest camera of iPhone. And this is the quick unboxing video of iPhone 7, guys. Yes, is still worth to buy in 2019 for sure. If you want a device for calls, messages, and camera, you can get the iPhone 7. So guys, hope you enjoy. Subscribe, share, like, and see you next time.